Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion from March 3rd to the 15th. Before I get into the pattern, I want to talk about the unsettled weather in the east that is expected. There's been a lot of talk about a major storm affecting the East Coast, and I'll get to that. We're talking about a couple systems that will be affecting the east, and some of the models aren't working, so just bear with me. All right, here we are we'll start 1 a.m. Friday, and here's one system, first system, weaker system, that'll be spreading snow in parts of the Mid-Atlantic, and there's some ice snow in the Ohio Valley with rain to the south. And then we go to 10 a.m. Friday, and it's snowing, light snow across parts of the Mid-Atlantic, lighter rain to the south. We have a 1016 millibar low, and then we go to 7 p.m., and then now it starts to wane. It strengthens some, very little, and then we go to 1 a.m. Saturday, and it's off the Mid-Atlantic coast, and you can see we still have some snow and ice here across the Mid-Atlantic, rain across central and southern New Jersey down into the Carolinas. And then we go to 4 a.m. Saturday. Now the system is deepening more as it gets offshore with the heaviest rain, but lighter precipitation remains across central southern New Jersey. That's the operation. That's the experimental GFS. And now we'll go to the, which one was that? Oh, that was the GFS. All right, now we're looking at the European deterministics. See, the system is further to the south, and its strength is about the same as it gets offshore. And now we'll look at the European ensembles. And it's pretty much insane, pretty much the same as its operational models. Now, one thing I want to show, which I can't, I can. All right, now here's the next system. We go to 1 a.m. Saturday, starts developing down here across the lower Mississippi Valley, and then we get to 7 a.m. Sunday. Here it is. And then we get to, this will be 1 p.m. Sunday. Snow starts moving into the northern Mid-Atlantic region, and we have rain to the south, and this stretches back into the Mississippi Valley. And then we get to 7 p.m. Sunday. It's snowing, and then we have rain across here. Notice where the 540 line is, right here. And then we get to 1 a.m. Monday. It's still snowing across the northern Mid-Atlantic. This is the GFS. And the system's down here. We have heavier rain, possible storms occurring down here. And we have heavy rain or heavy snow from the Tennessee Valley into the Mid-Atlantic and the Northeast. And then we come to 7 a.m. Now the storm is offshore. It starts deepening more. This is a GFS solution. Now we're going to look at the European deterministics. Here it is at 7 a.m. Sunday. Down here, whoops. Here it is across the lower Mid-Atlantic region. We have heavy rain. Here's the 540 line. We have snow, probably ice occurring here. Rain and storms to the south. And then we come to 1 p.m. Sunday. It's a little slower because the other model, you can see here, has it coming into the Mid-Atlantic. This one doesn't. And then we come to 7 p.m. Sunday. Now it starts moving into the Mid-Atlantic. And the rain-snow line, or 540 line, moves to the north across northern New Jersey, central Pennsylvania. So here would be snow, here would be rain. And then we come to 1 a.m. Monday. Now it should be raining because look where the low is here. More inland than the other model compared to here. Oops. See, it kind of moves out where this is more inland. Then we look at the European ensembles. Kind of similar. You can't see the low here, but it's around here. This area, still inland. So it'll be a warm event bringing the warmer air in. So it might be snow at first and then turning to rain. Okay, so the European has been trending westward in the last couple of runs. Okay, well now we'll get to the forecast, to the pattern. Okay, this is for March 3rd to the 7th. We have positive height anomalies here across Alaska and northwest Canada. And we have an amplifying trough in the east with the ridge over Mexico with above normal heights in southeast. And we'll see that as I go through this period. We come to the 7th. You can see the trough developing here. Here's above normal heights. Here's our ridge. So the model's pretty good agreement on this. Go through the models real quickly. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting below normal temperatures for much of the nation, and I'm forecasting anomalies of 6 to 18 degrees or more above normal, below normal, excuse me, because you can see we have some anomalies here at 24 degrees below normal. This might come true. And then we have above normal temperatures here, and I'm forecasting numbers of 4 to 6 degrees above normal for precipitation. Calling for above normal precipitation here and here. And the probability of occurrence is 45%. Below normal precipitation forecast for the southern plains. The probability of occurrence is 35%. Now, we're going to look at the period from March 11th to the 15th. A nearly zonal flow is forecast across much of the nation. We have below normal heights across the northern U.S. and below normal or above to near normal heights across the southern U.S. And we still have our ridge here near Alaska. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting still below normal temperatures for much of the nation. And I'm forecasting numbers of 6 to 12 degrees below normal, and then we have above normal to near normal temperatures across the southern U.S., but above normal in the Four Corners mostly. I'm forecasting numbers of 4 degrees above normal, and for precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation here and from the plains to the Atlantic coast. The probability of occurrence is 35 to 55%, and then we have below normal precipitation here and across the southwest. The probability of occurrence is 35%. That's the long range weather forecast discussion for March 3rd to the 15th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.